Hi, I'm Angela, and I'm from upstate New York. I signed up for Donna Eden's energy medicine course quite some time ago. I was curious about it, and energy is absolutely necessary for the work that I do. I have to be able to share it and transfer it in a meaningful and powerful way consistently. And so I was curious about it. So I started the course, and habit being what it is, I fell out of it, and time passed and I forgot about it. As this year started coming to a close, I just started feeling sluggish, not myself. And I would get up in the morning, and instead of my excited for the day, I was moving more slowly. My feet even hurt a little bit. And then I would get moving and everything seemed kind of just to hurt. The best way to explain it is I just felt sluggish. And so I tolerated it for a while, like we all do. And after a few weeks, I shared it with my mentor. I'm just not myself, and I don't feel like I'm able to give what I'm normally able to give to people, and I don't know what to do. And she said, I'm going to send you this link. And sure enough, it was linked to Donna Eden's morning ritual energy exercises, and you can do them multiple times throughout the day, but morning is a really key time to do it, to kind of set the tone and get things moving, literally. And I thought, oh, okay, yes, I know Donna. As a matter of fact, I signed up and paid for her course and didn't finish it. So I am going through it again, and most importantly, I stuck to that morning ritual every morning. It only takes 6 or 7 minutes. The best way to say it is I'm feeling like myself again. Actually, maybe even a little bit more than what I had before. I get up and I'm excited about the day. I just feel good. I feel energized. And the exercises are so simple, and they're really designed too. For a woman my age, stretching is really important. And there's great stretches in connecting heaven and earth, and it's wonderful. My feet aren't aching. I'm moving and grooving like myself again. So thank you, Donna, and thank you, Mindvalley, for all the wonderful learning and connections that you create every day. I wish all of you out there a blessed and energized day and 2018. Thanks.